Hey everyone, welcome back again. Here I have a very complicated After Effects project, where I have these 5 layers. Unfortunately, these layers sequences are in the wrong order, and need to be arranged in the right sequence. You can always arrange these layers manually. It works, but takes so much time. Just imagine if you have hundreds of layers, then it will take longer. Luckily we have a quick solution. Just select the layers in their respective sequence order. For example, my layer sequence order is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. By the way, use the Control or Command key on your computer for making multiple selections. Now cut these layers by pressing the Ctrl+X for Windows, and Command+X for Mac. And then immediately paste it using the Control or Command+V. It will arrange all the layers in the order which you have selected. Perfect. Now, if you just want to reverse the order of the layers, make sure to select the bottom layer first, and then the top layer. Cut it, and paste it, and it will work every time. So this is it for today. I will see you in the next one. Till then, good luck, and peace.